Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will start chapter 5, Lines and Angles. Exercise 5.1. Find the complement of each of the following. We have already discussed about complementary angles and supplementary angles, and you know that when the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degree is complementary angles and they are complement to each other, which you have already discussed. And the sum of the two angles when it is 180 degree, it is supplement to each other. Now the question is from exercise 5.1, question number 1, find the complement of each of the following. As it is complement, so sum will be 90. So what you have to find, one of the complementary angles, one angle is given here 20 degree, you have to find the other one. So what you have to do, you have to subtract the given angle from 90 degree and the result is 70 degree, and this is the complement of 20 degree. The same way you will find the complement of 63 degree. Complement of 63, that means 90 minus 63, 90 degree minus 63 degree, and you will get 27 degree. This is same way 90 minus 57. You have to just subtract these two angles and you will get the complement of 57 degree. The result is 3 and it is 6, 33 degree. Next question is find the supplement. Find the supplement of each of the following, and you know that supplement means 180 degree, sum of the two angles will be 180 degree. So one angle is given 105, so you need to subtract this angle from 180 and you will get the supplementary angles or the supplement of 105. Now you need to subtract this one and you will get, if you subtract you will get 75 degree. The complement of 105, 105 is 7, supplement of 105 is 75 degree. 87, subtract 87 from 180, you will get 93 degree, and therefore the supplement of 87 is 93. 154, 180 minus 154, it will be 26 degree. Understood? So supplement of 154 is 26 degree. Come to the next sum. Now question number 3, identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. That means pairs of angles are given. This 165, 150, 63, 27, 130, 50 degree, 45 and 45, 80 and 10. You have to find out which pair are making complementary angles and which pair are making their supplementary angles. So when you add these two, you will get 180 degree. If it is 180 degree, that means they are supplementary angles. The same way, if you add 63 degree plus 27 degree, and you will get 90 degree, so it is complementary angles. Same way 130 degree plus 130 degree plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree, supplementary angles. (45 plus 45 plus 45 degree), it will be 90 degree, and you know that it is, yes, complementary angles. Complementary angles. 80 plus 10, 80 degree plus 10 degree, yes, it is also 90 degree, and it is complementary, and they are complement to each other, and it is making complementary angles. I hope these are very easy for you. Thank you, students.